Dear audience of Atavatan TV channel, good evening. I'm Ismail Orazgiliyov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI News program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. Turkmen National Leader meets President of Kazakhstan. Turkmenistan's National Leader and Chairman of the People's Council, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, met with the President of Kazakhstan, Kassym-Jomart Tokayev, during an official visit to Kazakhstan. President Tokayev expressed his gratitude to Berdimuhamedov for personally attending the opening ceremony of the 5th World Nomad Games, showcasing strong cultural ties between the nations. During the discussions, Tokayev emphasized the significance of Berdimuhamedov's visit to Astana in strengthening the strategic partnership between the two countries. Preparations for President Tokayev's upcoming visit to Turkmenistan in October were also discussed. Turkmen National Leader attends opening ceremony of World Nomad Games. The opening ceremony of the 5th World Nomad Games took place in Astana, the capital of Kazakhstan, with Turkmenistan's National Leader and Chairman of the People's Council, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, in attendance. The event, held at the Astana Arena Stadium, was also graced by the presence of the presidents of Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tatarstan, and other high-ranking officials. Turkmenistan's delegation, consisting of 29 athletes and 6 coaches, is competing in the Games. Approximately 4,000 athletes from 100 countries are participating, competing across 21 sports for a total of 97 medal sets. United Nations General Assembly adopts United Nations Games resolution at Turkmenistan's initiative. The United Nations General Assembly has adopted the United Nations Games resolution proposed by Turkmenistan during its 78th session. The resolution, co-sponsored by 87 countries, highlights Turkmenistan's successful sports diplomacy and commitment to promoting global cooperation through sports. This development reflects the international community's recognition of Turkmenistan's efforts in advancing sports and its growing global stature under the leadership of President Serdar Berdimuhamedov. Turkmenistan's delegation to attend UN General Assembly session. Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister R. Meredov reported on preparations for Turkmenistan's participation in the 79th session of the United Nations General Assembly, set to begin on September 10, 2024. During the session, Turkmenistan plans to propose a new resolution, Permanent Neutrality of Turkmenistan, to mark the 30th anniversary of the country's neutral status. Additionally, it will promote initiatives on sustainable development, global security, and climate change, including the establishment of a regional center for climate technologies in Central Asia. Ashgabat to host international conference on World Sustainable Transport Day. Turkmenistan's Foreign Minister Rashid Meredov met with Umberto de Pretto, Secretary General of the International Road Transport Union, IRU, at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The discussion focused on preparations for the upcoming international conference in Ashgabat this November, marking World Sustainable Transport Day. They also explored ways to advance Turkmenistan's sustainable transport initiatives aligned with the country's priorities for the 79th session of the UN General Assembly. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.